Good evening, all. Hi, all viewers. Hi, teams here. So I am here, your quiz master, Nijosh. So we are here for the House at for a Quiz episode number 2, and we have very highly competitive 4 teams here. I'm not going for the introduction of the team because it's already here. So we have Kansal and Venkat as team 1, then we have Aniruddha and Sai Murali as team 2, and then we have Manan and Ernesto as team 3. Nitin and Ravi is actually joining us as a team 4 here. Quickly moving on, this round has 4 rounds. This quiz has 4 rounds. The first 3 will follow the same rules. Each correct answer will fetch you 10 points, and the past question will be only for the next team, which will fetch you 5 points. Will have a max limit of 30 seconds, and past will have 20 seconds. There will be a progress bar chart in your slide, which will tell the time limit for each of the team, after which that will be passed on to the next team. The fourth round will be a rapid fire a round quiz wherein you will have questions being inputted in the chat by the quiz master, and the team will have to answer. So the individual who is getting the right answer, the team who is part of that, the team whom the individual is part of will be getting that points. Right. Just moving on, let's start with round 1. You will have to identify the cricketer here. Now, you also have an option of choosing one amongst here. So over to team 1. Which number you want to choose here?
Abhishek ji, you choose one.
Number 2.
Who holds the distinction of bowling the last ball of one World Cup and first ball of the next World Cup?
Somebody in Australia. Somebody, Abhishek ji. Somebody must be in Australia.
McGrath.
Yeah, must be in McGrath. Yeah. Can go with that, na?
Yeah, I guess that's something which is coming in my mind right now.
Correct. McGrath, yeah.
Ben McGrath.
Over to the next team. Team 2.
Any idea?
No.
No, I think
we can't see the video.
Could it be Zahir Khan? Could it be Zahir Khan?
How?
Zahir Khan, 2007, sorry, 2003 and 11, right? No.
I'm taking Zahir Khan as your answer, but that's a wrong answer. The answer here is Nuwan Kolashegara, who has bowled the 2011 last ball, and the same person has bowled the 2015 the first ball. So bad luck, guys. Next, over to team 2 for choosing the next number. 2 is over. Aniruddha and Sai Murali, you can choose your number.
Sai, go ahead.
3. Go with 3.
Yeah, your time starts now. I am a spinner. I made my test debut at 17. Andrew Flintoff was my first cap. I have played county cricket for Somerset and Sussex. I played more games than R. Ashwin in 2011 World Cup. Identify the cricketer here.
No, yaar.
I'm talking about an Indian here.
Could it be Jadeja?
Harbhajan Singh.
Harbhajan Singh is a wrong answer.
Good answer.
Over to the next team.
Yeah.
Team 3, Manan and Ernesto.
Correct. No, but he's played in the 2011 World Cup, it says, right? I played more games than others.
Team, you'll have to give me an option soon. Your time is over.
Okay. Yuvraj Singh.
Sorry, guys. Piyush Chawla is the answer here.
Who? Piyush Chawla, na?
Piyush Chawla is the answer here.
Yeah.
Okay. Over to team 3, Manan and Ernesto for your direct question.
Nijosh is
You only
raising
have one
the
Nijosh, we all will score 0, man.
No, don't worry. You'll have easy questions.
Where is my dolly?
Manan, you can choose the question here. Sorry.
Ernesto, choose.
No, already 2 and which question?
You have left with 1 and 4.
1 and 4. Yeah, we'll go
Let's
with
go
1.
for 1.
Yeah. Player representing Australia 1983 World Cup after making his ODI debut that year, but the cricketer retired post 1988 Tour of India. However, he went on to play again in 1991.
This is Kepler Vessel. This is, I think it is Kepler Vessels.
Yeah. Your answer is Australia and South Africa, and is the only player who has played for 2 full countries.
The 92 captain thing gave it away.
Yeah.
Yeah, it was that way is easier. Cool. Question number 4 for the team 4. You are left with the option 4, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Whose score is depicted here? Again, one of the iconic scores in World Cup cricket.
126 strike rate.
Ravi, 16 sixes has to be Chris Gale because
16 fours, 6 sixes.
16 fours and 6 sixes. Okay.
So 138 balls must be 100. So 100 with highest strike rate.
Wait. 138 divided by 1. Is it?
Bipin is doing calculus here.
Yes, you'll have to give me an answer. Team, please, fast. I'll have to move to the
I
other.
don't know. Ganguly 183.
Okay, sorry, wrong answer. Over to team 1, Kansal and Venkat.
Venkat.
It's Kapil Dev, 125.
Yeah.
This is Kapil Dev 175. Absolutely right.
Good one.
Brilliant
Good
answer.
Wow. Super answer.
And Kapil Dev is the first centurion in a World Cup when he did it in 1983. The situation was very precarious, like 9 for 4 and 17 for 5. After which he
17 for 5 and 72 for 8.
Exactly. Yeah. So
Good one, Kansal.
we have the first
Venkat,
round
yeah.
over here. After which we have team 3, Manan and Ernesto with 10 points. Kansal and Venkat, team 1 with 5 points. Rest of the teams are yet to score. Have 0 points. But don't worry, you have other rounds wherein you can score like very good number of points. Yeah.
One suggestion. Even if the other 2 teams doesn't answer, just leave it for the rest of the team. Though there are no points, let's just give a second for other teams if they know the answer.
Okay, no problem. We can do that in the next one.
Yeah.
Okay. Just wait. We have cricket's unique. Here we will start with the reverse order, wherein team 4 will have the first option to choose here. Team for Nitin and Ravi. What's your...
The past question is for round 3, team 3, right? For this? Or will it be for team 1?
It will be in the reverse order. Yeah, you're right.
We'll go with question 1.
Okay. Question 1 for team 4. This is an epic pick in ODI World Cup. What happened here and what has changed after this?
1992 World Cup, semi-final between England and South Africa. South Africa needed 22 runs of 13 balls, or 23 runs of 13 balls, after which, because of the most productive overs rule, after rain delay, it got changed to 22 of 1 ball and England were given the victory.
Perfect. I would have given it to you. You have just said 22 runs from 13 balls, 22 runs to 1 ball. Absolutely brilliant answer. What changed after this is they have replaced this most productive overs with Duckworth. Yeah. Good one.
Nice one.
Yeah. So team 4 is actually having the first score on board, 10 points. Now we'll go back to team 3, who is already leading this. Team 3.
Arvind, third question.
Third, 3.
Okay. So you have the third question here. Not a very easy question. So what has happened in this case is that the batsman has hooked the ball. The ball traveled the distance and went on for a 6-over long leg. But this ball holds a record for one of the first instances in ODI cricket. What is that? You'll have to look at the picture and what you can just get out of that.
I mean, is this a helmet? First time somebody wearing a helmet?
There's no helmet either ways here. Over to the next team. Sorry, wrong answer.
Sai, any clue?
Yeah, Aniruddha and Sai Murali.
Sai, you have any clue?
No idea, Anirudh. No idea.
Let me have a go. I think this is first instance of 150 kilometers per hour or fastest ball, 150 or 160, something like that.
No, this is the first instance of a hit wicket which happened in ODI World Cup. In fact, not in ODI World Cup, it's just in ODI is the first hit wicket. So the next
Lijoy?
picture is that, yeah.
No, I was saying I was actually going to say that I thought you would be opening up for the audience.
Yeah. I know the answer, yeah.
Actually, I also knew the answer.
Sorry, next time onwards, I'll give that. I'm
Okay.
Nijosh is most excited as the quiz master.
in 1983 Cricket World Cup. He has played for Delhi's and Railways. He was a left-half medium pacer. 75 first-class matches and 22 listing matches. What is the record that he
Okay.
Yeah, I can't see the question. It's a little slow, the net.
It's basically a name of the
I
person.
couldn't hear you.
You're not able to hear me also.
Could you translate the? Yeah, Lijosh, could you translate the question again?
Sai Murali, we are talking about a person who was part of the Team India squad 1983 World Cup. You will have to tell what is the unique record this person holds. I'll give last 5 seconds, Aniruddha and Sai Murali. I'm sorry.
Aniruddha, I don't know, yeah.
No clue. No clue.
Over to team
medium
one.
pacer in India.
Kansal and Venkat, over to you guys.
Abhishek ji, no idea.
No idea about this one.
Audience.
Look at, let me tell the answer is actually there in the question itself.
So this person played.
Is it like he didn't get a chance to play in the World Cup?
He didn't play any other World Cup. He directly.
He didn't play the World Cup.
No, sorry. Over to the next team, team number 4.
Audience.
Team number 4 actually. Audience.
Hey, is it he made national debut in the World Cup without playing?
Yes.
Yes. Right. Actually, he's the only player who has won a World Cup making an international debut.
No, I think what Aniruddha answered and what Nijosh is saying is different things.
No. He's the only. Both are same actually. He's the only player who has won the World Cup, who has won the World Cup medal without making his international debut. Even while he got this World Cup medal, he had not made his international debut.
First his name here. Who is that?
The name of the person is Sunil Vansan. So I not asked the person here. I just wanted to know the name of the person is Sunil Valsan.
Yeah, correct.
So, but he didn't make his international. He didn't play the match, right? He didn't play any of the matches.
He never played international matches even after winning the World Cup. Okay, so guys, so we have like the end of round 2 here.
Lijosh, our question.
Yeah, one more question.
Our question.
One more question is there, sorry.
It's not our question. Yeah.
Which is your you have team
The first one,
2, right?
First one, I guess, right?
It's number 2, I think.
Just open and see, no?
Yeah. The question is here. The only team in history have won 2 of their league matches even without a single ball being played.
2 of the league matches. Abhishek ji, Sri Lanka 96, 4 feet, na?
That was 1 match or 2 matches?
Without even a single ball being bowled. Or this 19 World Cup.
It's like a washout only. The 2 matches wash out.
Or 2019 World Cup. Somebody did that, na?
Guys, read the question. The team have won 2 of the league matches without a single ball being played.
With 1?
They have won both of the matches. Guys, go for the last. Like you have to give me an answer. Sorry.
1-2 of the league matches. England. Maybe England. I'm just trying out.
I guess it's England. Yeah, England.
Sorry.
England, just trying.
I'll have to go to the next team, which is team for Nitin and Ravi.
Kenya.
Okay, sorry. The audience.
Audience.
Yes, sorry,
Correct answer. They won against Australia and West Indies without even a ball played.
Exactly. Sri Lanka in 1996 World Cup, I was just expecting Venkat would be telling that answer because they came very close.
You said it, Venkat.
Yeah, he told the answer and then
In 1996, Australia and West Indies, they were not ready to go to Sri Lanka and play the matches because of the security concern.
That was a 4 feet, man. Yeah, correct.
Actually,
Yeah.
they were on the right track. Lijosh gave a further hint, and with the hint, they got confused somehow.
Correct. Exactly. Chandan is right. Yes.
No, they were actually moving out of the answer. So they said Sri Lanka first and they were going to England. So I was telling that they won both the matches. Anyway, so no worries. So at the end
Okay,
of
it happens. Yeah.
Sai, we still need to open
guys,
our account.
we have Manan and Ernesto, Nitin and
Anirudh,
Ravi, both of the teams
क्या
have
कर रहे हैं
10
हम लोग?
points. Anirudh and Sai Murali are yet to open the account, whereas Kansal and Venkat are there with 5 points. Let's go to the next round. Again, this is episode 2. We have round 3. Again, you have like 6 boxes here. You can choose one amongst the boxes, which is round 3. It'll go to one of the questions, and then you can answer the question like we so. I will go with team with the least points here as a difference here. So you'll start with team 2 here, and then we'll team 2. Then we'll again go to team 3 as a past question. After which we'll take to the audience. So team 2, Anirudh and Simon, you can choose a question here.
Sai, which year?
Anirudh, your pick.
Okay, let's go with 2011.
Okay. Cool, guys. So 2011 World Cup. Yeah. In the ICCI World Cup final between India and Sri Lanka, which happened in Mumbai, a bizarre incident happened at the beginning. Ahead of the first ball of the match, toss occurred not once but twice. The question is, who was the match referee there?
Is it Mike Proctor?
The match referee was a player of New Zealand who played in the 1983 and 87 World Cup. Just to give you an additional idea.
No, I don't know.
Sai, 83, 87 is either Martin Crowe or...
Yeah, Martin Crowe. Could be Martin Crowe. No, but he played in 92 also.
Correct. 92.
Over to the next team here, which is team number 3, Manan and Ernesto.
Manan, I don't know. Go ahead.
Why do you have to ask who the match referee is?
He was readying for the bizarre incident.
You guys answered Martin Crowe, right?
Yeah, no, you go for some other name. Whoever you know.
Can't remember, man.
Sorry, guys, I'll have to. If there are no further answers, then I'll have to give it to the audience now.
Who cares about the match referee?
Go with Martin Crowe.
Anyone else? Actually, the answer is half there in that itself. It's Jeff.
Martin Crowe died and for the crowd, for the audience, na?
It's not Martin Crowe. The answer is Jeff Crowe.
Same last name.
Same last.
And Martin Crowe died in 2007 itself, I think.
Part points.
Oh, sorry,
One
guys.
mark.
Yeah.
1 mark.
2011 World Cup is taken. Over to Manan and Ernesto for choosing their next.
19, Arvi? Recent, we might remember something.
Okay. For the question also.
Or 2003, you tell me.
Next question will be who's the third umpire?
Let's. I think the question will be released. Yeah, probably.
Ernesto.
Yeah, 2003.
2019 World Cup, is it?
No. Three.
2003 World Cup. Over to you guys. Adam Gilchrist famously walked during the 2003 World Cup semi-finals after the opponents appealed for a catch. But the umpire was unmoved. Can you recollect who the bowler was? Actually, you can see the hand of the bowler there.
Wow, man.
And level up.
Arvinda De Silva.
It was against Sri Lanka.
Arvinda De Silva.
Yes, your answer is right, Manan. Aravinda De Silva. Absolutely.
Wow.
That was a guess, man.
Yeah, awesome, dude. Awesome.
with that, looked like a spinner. That's it. With that hand.
It was actually a spinner, and Aravinda De Silva was the right answer there. Over to the next team, Nitin and Ravi, for your option.
Ravi,
99.
99 or you want to go with 2019? You're comfortable with 99?
99. Let's go with 99.
Okay, 1999.
Okay. Before Lance Klusner pummeled Fleming into 2 boundaries in the over to take South Africa ever so close to the epic semi-finals of 1999, who dropped him in the penultimate over to long on and parried the ball for 6 of McGrath? Who was the fielder that time? Again, the fielder is a fast bowler, so you can just recollect.
Ravi, any idea? Fast bowler, it could be Kasparovic.
Kasparovic.
Megra is longer. Gillespie.
Gillespie or Fleming itself? Fleming itself. I think Fleming.
Fleming, is that your final answer, Ravi?
Okay, Fleming.
Sorry, I'll have to give it to the next team, which is Kansal and Venkat.
Venkat?
If Fleming and McGrath is not there, it must be Gillespie only.
Gillespie only, right?
Yeah, we can go with Gillespie, yes.
Let's go with Gillespie.
Gillespie, yes.
Lijosh, do one more pass, sir.
Gillespie.
You can over to the audience, you guys can answer.
All rifle.
All rifle is the right answer. Unfortunately, I cannot give you the points here.
Good one, Aniruddha.
Good one, actually. It's all rifle. So last question of this round to the first team, Kansal and Venkat.
Venkat, 19?
19, better.
Lijosh, 19,
Yeah, I have taken the question. This is again a famous pick from 2019 World Cup. Who is
South Africa, South Africa. Left-hand batsman from South Africa. Left-hand batsman from South Africa.
Left-hander, this was not Dumini.
This is again who is the person over there. It's just a
That's Stokes, left-hander, South African. It was a fast bowler. I guess it was Andrew Philwalker. The exact pronunciation I don't know.
Philwalker.
Absolutely. You guys are right, absolutely.
Brilliant.
Good answer.
Wow, man.
Brilliant.
Okay, so we are in end of round 3. So you guys have.
Hey, in the between got stuck. What is the answer? Philip Boy is right.
Yeah, we got it. Venkat, we got it.
Great, Abhishek, super.
You guys want to try the other questions? Like not now, maybe later. I'll come back. So at the end of round 3, we have Manan and Ernesto leading with 20 points. Kansal and Venkat with 15 points, and Nitin and Ravi with 10 points. So we have Aniruddha and Sai Murali not yet to open the account, but don't worry, guys. Like the last round is where you can actually get a lot of points because there are questions.
Questions before going to the last round.
Sorry,
the other pending question also will just go through. Then we'll go to the last round.
Yeah, but Nitin, you can cut that one, right?
No, we can include that. It's okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. Which are the questions that we have missed out here? 2015 World Cup.
15 and 7.
Okay, so let me go to 2007. So name the Pakistani fielder who dropped Shane Watson during Wahab Ray's hostile spell in 2015 edition.
Somebody dropped him in third man. I don't know who did it.
Yeah, you are right.
It's not third man, it's long leg.
I remember long leg. Yeah, exactly. Is it third man?
It's third man actually. I don't think it's third man. It's actually long leg.
Long leg.
Long on only.
Exactly. Long leg actually was pulling.
It was a hook and the top edge was there. I guess it was Mohammad Amir. Mohammad Amir, I guess.
No, it's Rahat Ali. Rahat Ali.
Rahat Ali.
Man, tough questions, yeah.
No, but I have taken those epic sessions. If you watch the game, it will be easier for you to like. Okay, this is again. You guys remember this guy? This was maybe an easier question.
Yeah.
Cool, guys. So we have end of round 3. What we will have now is actually a round for rapid fire questions. So I'll stop presenting and I'll keep adding the questions in the chat box.
Okay.
Come on, Venkat.
Ravi, ready?
Yeah, fastest fingers, right?
Let's roll.
What's the scoring here, Lijosh?
How many questions, Lijosh?
So there are 8 questions here, and this is like a round where you can score a good number of points. Each right answer will give you 5 points, and if you are getting three on a trot, like 3 on a streak, you will get bonus 5 points. So here goes your first question, guys. It's coming on the chat box. Right. Who has the best economy rates amongst all the Indian bowlers? I have the answer from Manan, which is right, which is Kapil, right?
Wow, Manan, awesome.
That's
It
the
was
right
like
answer.
super quick.
So Manan's team has now. Now the next question. Question number 2 here. Highest partnership by runs, which country?
Oh, is it?
Correct. West Indies is correct.
Aniruddha is right. Sri Lanka.
Yes.
Oh my God.
Oh, sorry,
Aniruddha,
I'm sorry. No, it's
Good
not
one,
Aniruddha.
good one.
No. It's Nitin actually.
Gail-
Yes.
The answer is
Gail
West Indies,
Samuels.
right?
Samuels, yeah.
Gail and
Hey, shit,
Mark.
man.
Marlon Samuel, yeah.
Army, just few seconds.
I type WINDA.
Rolling.
Is
Hey,
that
hold on.
WINDA?
Hold on.
Hey, it is Aniruddha's answer. Come on.
Yeah, is this test or one days?
One
You
day,
did
one day.
World Cup.
ODI World Cup here.
World Cup.
All the questions are 1975 to 2019 World Cup. So the right answer is
Whose partnership? Tell the answer details. No.
I'll
Gail
give
and
the-
Samuel.
Gail.
Gail and
Chris
Samuel.
Gayle and Marlon Samuels, who did 372 runs versus Zimbabwe on 24th February 2015. Okay. Now the next question we have is a good question. Third question. Who has the highest average amongst all the players and with minimum 100 runs?
I type
Rijosh. Rijosh, Klusner. That is actually Klusner, man. Come on.
That is listener.
Rijosh, come on.
Epic.
Rijosh, come on. There's no one called listener in international cricket. I meant Klusner.
Next point.
Hey,
Listener is
Jose,
not-
last time also is a WI, okay? I will not accept this, okay?
I'm sorry, Nitin. I'll have to give it to Badar. It's like for clues there because but at least you start with K, it's fine. It's like listener is very difficult to give.
Arey yaar.
Sorry, guys. So, anyways, good one. So we have like 3 questions over here. We'll have going into the 4th question. Who has played most matches in World Cup overall?
A player or team, man.
Who is like player actually? It's again Ernesto has got it right. Ponting, yeah.
Yeah.
Your team is actually rocking, guys.
Go Arne.
It's too slow. I guess the internet is very slow here. We are always the second or the third.
Okay, the next question is. Which team? It's here. Sorry, guys. Which team has the highest total in a World Cup match? Again,
Come on,
Ernesto.
Manan, I guess it's the internet. It's the internet, bro.
इतने जल्दी इंटरनेट कैसे बोले?
अबे
No,
मैं
it was
क्वेश्चन
Ernest.
का आंसर के बाद देख रहा हूँ यहाँ पे.
This was Ernest.
Manan, fast man. Super, too good.
No, Ernest
Yeah.
was faster, man. Both times.
Also, 5 questions over, guys.
Anirudh,
Yeah.
are we going to get on the board or not?
I am getting to see the question after I get 3 answers.
Same here, man. Same here.
Okay, maybe you can read out. Because
yeah.
you can read out
Yeah.
the next question instead of typing
Hey,
it, so that
give us
everybody.
give us a time, 5 seconds time. Yeah, what do you before?
Question was, so okay, I'll type the question and read out the question simultaneously.
No, I guess you read out first and then
I'll-
type it.
Yeah,
Yeah,
you read
yeah,
out.
That would be better.
Read out. Who has most dismissals as wicket keeper? Okay. Again Ernesto. Sangakkara is the right answer.
Oh man,
Yeah.
Ernesto, you're
Come
rocking,
on.
dude. I wrote Gilchrist.
Hey, Sangha is not an acceptable answer.
Hey.
Sangakkara is can't give it. If you're
No,
not giving
we'll have
Sangakkara, you can't give Sangha also.
A Gilly,
Oh,
everybody's
Anirudh,
writing.
even in that case, I cannot give you also because your answer is also Sangha.
No, I wrote Sangakkara. Scroll
Hey,
down.
you wrote Sangha only. Look at the
You
chat.
first wrote Sangha.
No, you
And then-
said you take the first correct
Hey, see,
answer.
So I will have to take
Anirudh,
the first answer in that case, Anirudh.
See, Ernesto
Ah.
put Kara also.
Kara also I put.
Oh,
If you combine, he's the first one.
Naga.
He's not even a player.
Okay, fine. Let me just question.
Come on, Venkat.
Where to come?
Hey, Josh, this consecutive answers.
You guys have got 4 consecutive right answers.
Wow.
Okay, so this is the 7th question. Yeah, 7th question, sorry. Okay, who has the second highest number of 50s in World Cup?
अबे ये क्या क्वेश्चन है यार?
First one is Sachin. Who is second?
Come on, yeah.
This is like the. In fact, you can Google and also find out. Ernesto got it again. Shakibul Hasan is the right answer.
Wow.
That's overall or 2019?
Overall, he has 10 50s. Sachin has 16. Rest everyone is actually below that.
Ernesto, killer.
So good.
Okay, cool. So last question of this.
At least you have to target to open the account.
I think we will not answer. I think next question we all will not answer. It is Anirudh and Sai who will get points.
So the question is, how many World Cup tournaments had 8 teams participating in them? You got it right. 4 is the right answer. First 4 World Cups were 8 participating teams. So Nitin has 5 points here.
And the 5th World Cup, 1992, was actually 8, and then South Africa was added again.
South Africa was
towards the end.
added, so it was
Yeah.
9.
Yeah, correct.
So thank you guys. That's the end of round 4, and you guys all know who the winner is. With I'll have to just count the number of points here because they have got on a trot 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 questions on actually.
Wow.
Well done, Manan and
Well done, Arne.
Suprabha.
Manan.
Ernie.
Suprabha. Credit goes to Suprabha.
No, you don't believe. I had a mock quiz an hour earlier. Okay, from Suprabha.
Oh,
The questions are
really?
So Manan and Ernesto are the winner of the this like undisputably with like 65 points. The next team has 20 points, which is like by Nitin and Ravi. Kansal and Venkat has 15 points, and Anirudh and Sai Murali